Medequip, making you independent.
Oxymed Continuous Glucose Monitoring (CGM) is an advanced way for people living with diabetes to check glucose readings in real time. Here we have the Oxymed Aidex CGM system. Now let us see how to install the app. Download the Aidex app from Play Store or Apple App Store. Once the installation is done, open the app and create an account. Or log in if you gave an existing Aidex account. Now let us see how to apply sensor and transmitter. Preferably on your abdomen, or on your back of the arms. Wash and dry your hands before applying the insertion. Here we have the Oxymed Aidex CGM system, including an applicator with a built-in sensor. Rotate the applicator counterclockwise and lift it out of the box. Choose an insertion site that has an adequate amount of fat, avoid the muscle. Wipe insertion site with alcohol pad and let it dry. The forefinger should be in the position of the side button so that it is more convenient for the user to push when inserting the sensor. Place the applicator on the desired location. Press the applicator firmly against the arm until the side button reaches to the top limit. Press the side button to launch the sensor. Make sure the sensor is secured. Remove the applicator after you have successfully inserted the sensor, leaving the sensor on your body. The long side of the oval applicator and sensor must be parallel to the arm. In case of abdomen insertion, long side of oval must be parallel to the waist belt. Discard the used applicator. Match the orientation and then snap the transmitter into the sensor holder. Make sure this snap hook is engaged before pressing the other side. Now let us see how to pair. To pair the device, enter the serial number printed on the transmitter. Confirm it is new sensor on the device and then allow your sensor to warm up. Once the 1-hour warm-up completes, you will receive your first sense or glucose reading. Your app receives the sensor readings every 5 minutes. To plot the blood glucose graph, glucose reading goes below the low glucose alert or above the high glucose alert. Point will become red or yellow respectively, and the system will issue an alert notification. You may set the high and low glucose alert values. Your urgent low glucose alert will appear if the reading is below 56 mg DL. You cannot change this urgent low glucose alert. Now let us see how to remove the sensor from your body. Press the 2 release button on the sensor base to detach the transmitter. Your transmitter is reusable, please do not discard it. Use 1 alcohol pad to wipe the edge of the adhesive patch before peeling it off.
We hope that you found this video helpful. For any queries, you can write to us at onlinesupport@medequip.co.in. For more information, log on to www.medequip.co.in.